There's definitely some roots in here. The customer had a leak on his main water line, obviously out here in the yard. So you can see that water moving right there. The majority of that is probably from the water higher up, and it's rolling down into this lower portion. It was on a 1-inch PVC elbow that had cracked and basically was just leaking. There it is. It's on that elbow. I can feel it. Comes this way and then abruptly makes a 90-degree turn, and it's right there at that elbow where our leak is. I can feel the water. Either the fitting is cracked or it's a bad glue joint or a glue joint that gave way. I'm going to clean this out, dig this area out. That way I can get down to the pipe and cut on this side of the elbow, cut on this side of the elbow, and replace that section. Dug it up, found it. Guy. So our original little crack or fissure started there, and I can see a little bit of a line where a hairline crack was beginning or started to form, and it was going to crack all the way to the hub. Got the pipe cut out, used the opportunity, rather than using another 1-inch PVC elbow, I decided to go with PEX, because PEX is just more resilient. It's got some flexibility to it, and in that angle right there, there's a fair bit of tension, especially with how high the water pressure is out here. So with the PEX, I was able to relieve some of that tension, make it less likely, less susceptible to this happening in the future. So repaired it with the PEX, transitioned from the PVC to the PEX, using the adapters, got everything crimped. Now just waiting for the glue to dry, which give it an hour or so for the glue to dry before we can turn the water on. Then we should be leak free and on to the next job.